National Covers is America's #1 choice for boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National Covers has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. If you are looking for a top-of-the-line, high-performance, long-lasting boat cover, then look no further than the Windstorm Elite Series boat covers. Windstorm Elite covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit for your boat. Windstorm Elite T-top boat covers are manufactured with legendary Sunbrella marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme marine conditions. Windstorm Elite boat covers with Sunbrella come with a 10-year warranty and are handmade from Sunbrella 9.25-ounce solution-dyed acrylic with UV coating and rot-proof double-stitch seams. Sunbrella covers are available in a variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. All Windstorm Elite covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. Windstorm Elite boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm Elite boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. Windstorm Elite Series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm Elite T-top boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with acrylic marine-grade fabric, designed to provide years of quality protection for your boat. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.